Hi, this is Alan from PogDive and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can add background blur on your webcam using OBS with a free plugin. It's actually pretty easy, and this is basically how it's going to look like. And it's very lightweight as well, so you can use it in most computers and laptops. So I'm going to hop onto my desktop and show you exactly how easy and quickly you can do it. Right there we are on my desktop, and as you can see, I have two files right here. The main OBS and the plugin that allows us to do this background blur on our OBS webcam. How and where do we get the plugin? First, you want to go to this website, or of course on your browser, and then to this website. That's called the background removal / virtual green dash screen and low light enhance. Very long name, I know, but you don't got to remember that because all links will be on the description down below. And also go check us out over at hogdive.com where we make a detailed or a lot easier version to follow since it is just listed as text and created in conjunction for this video. So now that you're on this website, we can go ahead and click this go to download link right here. It's going to be a GitHub website. So now you just want to go and scroll down and click on the OBS background removal or the latest one, whatever version it says right here. As you can see, this is just updated last week. So we can go ahead and download this one. Make sure it's the installer.exe. Then you press that. I'm not going to save it again since I already have the file on my desktop, which is this. And once you have that, now you got to make sure that you know where your OBS is installed. In this case, I have a desktop shortcut. So basically, I can just go ahead and right click it, open file location, and it's going to show me where OBS is exactly installed. Now, if you don't have that, maybe you just installed it normally. You can just go ahead on your start menu and search for OBS. From there, you can click on open file location. I'm just going to do the desktop way. So from there, once you locate your OBS, it's going to go on the 64-bit automatically. So you want to go up, backwards, twice. So from the 64-bit, I'm going to go to the bin and then the main OBS. And this is where the OBS plugin would be located at. And that's what you want to remember, because when we run this installer for the plugin, there you go, press run. Setup file would be here. I'm going to go ahead and press next. And then from here to continue, click next if you already know where to install it. As you can see right here, it just says OBS Studio, but I'm going to go ahead and click on browse. And of course, I want to go ahead and locate where this thing is installed. So let me just locate it. So let's say this is the one, this is this one right here, that OBS, main OBS, this is where I have my OBS installed. What I'm going to be doing here is then removing the / or / OBS Studio. And from there, it should just install there. So you're just going to press OK, press next again, and you're going to press install. Now, of course, I'm not going to install it this way because I'm using the OBS right now. So once you just install, you just want to restart OBS, or better yet, don't install it while OBS is open. Exit out of OBS, install it. Now, once you have that installed, you can just open OBS as I have right here, and then we can go ahead and add it. So right now you can see me, I'm currently blurry. I think I'm on the bottom right side of your screen right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable it real quick. This is just the normal view. This is how my webcam looks like. And now to add it, again, you want to go to your webcam right here. I'm using the C920. Right click it, go to filters, and from the effect filters, you just want to press plus, and then from there, you're going to be seeing the background removal. Now, it says background removal, but bear with me. If you add it, as you can see right now, I don't have a background. It doesn't look too good. But what I can do here is click on the background blur, increase it to maybe like 3, and then boom, I got my background blur. And I can, of course, increase that to the max, which would look bad. Please don't do this. So I'm just going to put it back to around 3. 5 still works, but I think 3 is really great. And what I can do here is, of course, feather it up so it would look a lot smoother on the edges. I can even do 5. There you go. Cool. You can see it very substantial. But when I put my hands close to the camera, or let's say my phone, it doesn't get blurry, which is really great. And that is basically it. That is how easy it is to add a background blur to your webcam. And by the way, this thing is barely using anything. So yeah, like basically using no resources, a little bit of graphics card, a little bit of CPU and RAM, but it doesn't do as much as what NVIDIA Broadcast uses. But yeah, anyway, that is it for me. Again, this is Alan from Hogtype. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next Hogtype video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share it with your friends who wants to make their webcam looks better. And yeah, have a nice day.